The warning or reminder maintenance tire in a Nissan vehicle doesn't actually mean that you need to replace your tires. This is purely mileage based interval that is set in the settings of your car and will be triggered once every 5,000 or 7,000 miles depending on the model and year of your car. So you can either reset the reminder or turn it off in the settings. For this, press the right arrow button on the steering wheel and locate the settings section. Go to the maintenance section by pressing the down arrow and press OK to enter the section of the settings. Now you may have different options here, but one of them should be tire. Highlight the tire section and press OK. In some vehicles you may only be able to reset this warning and set it to another 5,000 miles. In other Nissan cars, there is a possibility to adjust the interval. So basically, maintenance tire is just a mileage triggered warning that tells you to rotate the wheels, and you need to reset it after every tire rotation or replacement.